Hey yeah people, welcome back to another React Native tutorial. So in this tutorial we'll be talking about some more properties of flex layout that we can use in our React components. So in the last video we discussed about the flex property and how they are used for the flexible height and width of a component. So let's see what else we can do with flex properties. Now as you can see, there is one component called container which has three child components, part 1, part 2 and part 3. The red one is the part 1, green is the part 2 and blue is the part 3. They all are in columns. What if we want them to slide inside a row? We need to define the flex direction. The flex direction being row. Let's save it. Let's reload our application. All these flex parts, all these view parts are now been adjusted into the row. Let's say we have defined height and width for them. Height be 50 and width be 50 as well. Let's just copy and paste. Let's reload our application. Oh, they are way too small beyond my imagination. Let's increase the size to be... Oh, what am I doing? I'm sorry if it takes a lot of your time. Let's say it to be 100. Save it, export it out, and now that's good. So now we have our flex direction to row. That's why the child components of the container are in the direction of a row. So now what about if we want that with them back into the column? Either you can change the flex direction to column C, or else you can also remove this property. The default flex direction is column. Now let's say I want these three bars to be in the center of the screen. So now use another property with the flex, that is align items. Align items and give it the value center. Let's save it. Let's reload our application. Now as you can see, these all three bars all together have been aligned in the center. What if I want them in the center of this mobile phone, not at the top? So another property is this justify content. Again, pass down the property center, save it. Now it will throw an error because I made a typo. Justify content. Let's save it, reload, and now we shall have our three bars in the center. Yep, there you go. Now there's a whole bunch of values that you can provide to align items and justify content in this documentation. That align item, flex direction, row and column. The justify content takes these many values, flex, start, center, and you can work around for that if you want. Also align item takes some different values altogether, which you can look up in the documentation and work around. So that's all for this flex layout. See you next time, baby. Bye bye.